sunshine. He's getting sunshine for the first time. Hey, buddy. Itchy. You're funny. Very funny. Be in the sun for some time. Morning sunlight is good. Morning sunlight is good. Yeah? Don't go in the shade. Don't go in the shade. Very good. Stay. Stay there. Stay there. No. Stay there. Oh, you know that's your poop. Yeah. Stay there. Spread your wings. Yes. Spread your wings. How are you? How are you? Get some sunshine, sunlight. Yes, sunlight. Nice? Nice? Yeah? See, still he didn't get his feathers yet. Yeah. Morning he does the flaps. He will fly. Yeah? Spread your wings. Yes. Who is my sweetie baby? Ah, you are my sweetie baby. Oh, you're my sweetie baby. Yes, you are. Oh, ja. Oh, is my sweetie baby. Oh, is my sweetie baby. He likes massaging. You massage like this. He likes it. Yeah? Yeah. You do like it. Look at his feathers. His beautiful feathers. Inside is yellow. See? Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good body. Good body. They are very sweet, very loving. He is very sweet and very loving. Who is my baby? Who is my baby? Who is my baby? Getting sun, getting sunlight, getting some sunlight. Yeah. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Don't. Who is that? Who is that? Who is this? Who is this? Who is that? What do you want? Nice. Did you like it? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Oh, he likes it. You like the sunlight? Yes? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Wanna come? Wanna go? Flap your feathers. Flap your wings. Like a baby, dear. Like a baby, dear. Like a baby. You're a baby. My sweetie baby. My sweetie baby. They will get a long tail. This is only 1/4 of it. He's a small baby. He's a small sweetie baby. Yeah? Yeah. So, see the face, how beautiful it is. Look at the face, how the lines, yeah? Different shades of green, blue, yellow. So beautiful. God has made you so beautiful. Yes, you are. You are a beautiful body. You are a so beautiful body. Okay. You want to stay or you want to go? Bye-bye. What you want to do? You want to stay? You want to go? She wants to go. Okay, we'll go inside. Bye.